welcome back everyone. Happy New Year people. 2024 has kick-started, and yes, I have been greeted by this bad boy. Service light, 7,000 miles, nearly 2 and a bit years. Well, it's going to be 2.5 years, so yeah. Let's see if I can got the means and the tools to reset this service light on this Euro 5. So if you're not already aware, the ECU plug for these Euro 5s is this red one there, which is normally plugged in down here somewhere. I've got loads of stuff. This is my own OBD connection port wire that I've just got sitting underneath the bike, so I can use my Bluetooth to fix any problems on the fly. But yeah, let's see what software I've got to reset that. And yes, as usual, BHPUK. This is their handheld flash device. And on here, there is a reset option. So I am going to see if I can do the service reset using this. So let's plug this in. I've got it plugged in. I've just got it sat on the bike. I'm going to try and get to a position where you can actually read it, see it. Sorry, let's go to work, it's tool, adjustments. Oh, erase Desmo service. I think that's the closest that I've got. So let's see if it is that. Please connect your vehicle to a stabilizer. Yeah, I've got it connected to my tender. Switch on the dashboard, check the connections and press OK. Yeah, it's on. Perform the TPS adaptation, OK. Switch off the dashboard to continue. OK. Task successfully completed. Let me just turn it back on. No, service is there. So let's try that again. No. Okay, so there you go, boys and girls. Looks like you still have to go to the dealer, or you got to buy one of those £700 OBD scanning tools. So yeah, might have to go back to BHPUK and ask them to see if there's something that they could do. All right, catch you in a bit.